This is the Lume cube. Pretty cool. It's got an app, so you can do different things with it, which I probably will not be using. I'll just be turning on, and that's it. This is the packaging itself. Comes in nice plastic seating. There should be 2 in here. Nothing in there. Okay, and there's this. It's very well packaged. It's all hard plastic. And there's this second one. Micro USB charger, 2 of them. That's what it looks like. Nothing else inside. Let me take out this top piece. Let me see. Let me read these. All right, I had to rip off the top part, which is just double-sided tape, it looks like. Comes right off. I held this piece right here and just screwed it off. Just screw it on. I'll keep the screw for future use if I need it for something. This is everything you get in the box. Paperwork, manuals, quick start guide, 2 Lume cubes, USB charger, cable, and that's just the box and the container. I purchased these things, which are the mounts that go on the side of the Karma, which I'll be using with this. So I'll be showing you it all charged and installed on my Karma. So let me open up the Karma so I can get it ready to mount the lights on it. This one came with the Hero 5, I believe. So I've done an unboxing in the past on this, so I'm not going to do another one. I'm just looking to look at the mounts to mount this on. GoPro Karma. And first I'm going to do the mounts. So like I said, these are the chargers, cables. And these are the actual mounts themselves. Did a close-up So let's put them on. I'm assuming it should match up, so this one should go in here like this. Okay, that's the way. Okay, so that slit is gonna fit here. It looks like. Yep, perfect. Oh wow, what a perfect fit. It's on just the wrong side, that's all. It fits perfectly fit. There's no wording or anything on it. It's ZIF, zero insertion force, okay? This should go right in. Is that the right one? No. No, this is not the one. Okay. So the second one, since I put the first one in, should be much easier to put in. That'll go here. Go right in. So again, little slot right there, slides right in. Goes right up. So that's how you put in the mount. You close it and open it. Awesome. I like them. So I'm installing the lights, the cube lights. That's the screw that it came packaged with. See right here again. Flash. This one's the on. Brighter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 settings. That turns on and off the light. It flashes, and when you turn it on here, you press this button and it turns it on. Awesome. They look so cool, so military-like. Look at that, it's pretty cool. They look really nice. That's how it looks closed. So I guess I'll leave them open. Cool. I think they look great. Screw does not turn, locked into place. Awesome. So that's how you put it in. That way you don't have any issues of it popping out. Pretty secure.